My name's Penelope. I studied Bachelor of Culinary Arts at the Otago Polytechnic. I went on to do a Bachelor of Design with honours right after I finished my first degree. I came into culinary arts after already studying for quite a few years, studying holistic nutrition, herbal medicine and naturopathy. I have a business that's quite brand new. It's a plant-based cafe restaurant during the day, and at night it's a botanical cocktail bar, so that explores some of the things that I looked at through both degrees. I would recommend studying at Otago Polytechnic because great resources, great equipment, great support from people that have worked in the industry before. I found the tutors very supportive. The smaller classes meant that we could have more one-on-one time with the tutors. It allows you that time to really delve in and align yourself with your values and find a career that really works for you. A lot of things have been thrown at us in this year, and you need to diversify, you need to focus on the things that are working, you need to focus on the experience people are having. These are all things that were really important during study.